Welcome to the review of my Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now, as can you see, when I'm swapped with my finger to the right side, I can activate the Google Discover. So if you want to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen, and after that here, click here to the home settings. After that, tap here to the swipe access and switch Google Fit to nothing. And now, as can you see, when I'm swiping with my finger here to the left or to the right, for example, if I'll create a new screen, so you can see that the Google Discover is turned off. And if you want to just turn on again back the Google Discover, go here to the home settings, click to the swipe access and switch nothing to the Google Fit. So as can you see, that's so simple. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.